friends, my name is Pooja and welcome to Pooja's Vocabulary. Today I am going to share about oxymoron. In Hindi, we can say the meaning of oxymoron is विरोधालंकार. यानी कि आप बोल सकते हो कि दो opposite words, but without using that opposite signs, you can use those opposite words together while framing a sentence. Okay, we'll see the definition of oxymoron, a phrase that combines two words that seem to be the opposite of each other. मतलब दो opposite words एक साथ combine किए जाते हैं. Let me give you some examples of oxymorons. See, first example is found missing. You must have read in newspaper that XYZ is found missing, he is found missing, she is found missing. So if you observe these two words, मतलब found भी है और missing भी है. These are two opposite words, but still they are using found. XYZ is found missing. Are you getting? They are called as oxymoron. We can identify them. Now second one is open secret. Like my life is open secret. How is it possible? If my life is open, then there is some secret in it, and if my life is some secretive life, then there is something openness in that. But still these are used together, though they are opposite of each other. Third example, small crowd. Generally crowd is not one person, crowd is excluding one person, like many other people are involved in that. So how can we consider that crowd is very small? No, it cannot be small crowds. Are you getting? So these two are again opposite words. They are oxymoron, but still they are combined together to frame the sentence. Next one is act naturally. Yeah, if you have seen some Bollywood related news, so they see the examples that act naturally. He acts very naturally, she acts very naturally. But suppose, just think about it, the person is acting, then how it can be natural? Are you getting? So still they use the words act naturally. So these are two opposite words, but they are oxymorons used combined together. नेक्स्ट इज फुल्ली एम्प्टी मतलब पूरा खाली, ठीक है, मतलब खाली. लेकिन अभी मैं बोली जैसे पूरा खाली, सो पूरा भी है और खाली भी है. सो दीज आर वी कैन कॉल देम एट ऑक्सीमोरन. Sixth one is seriously funny. We say that someone is seriously funny. Yeah, because then how can we say that seriously means if the person is funny, then how can we make a sentence by using seriously he is funny, but still we say that seriously funny. So these are some oxymorons. Next one is only choice. The meaning of choice मतलब बहुत सारे विकल्प हो सकते हैं, बट अगर वहाँ पे विकल्प है, पर्याय है, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है, तो वो only कैसे हो सकते हैं? But still we use he has only choice to do or not to do. Next one is original copies. If you see this, if they are copies, then how those can be originals? Are you getting? These are again opposite words, so we can call them as oxymorons, which we can combine together. Next one is exact estimate. Estimate मानो अंदाज़ा लगाना. So if it is estimate, then how it can be an exact estimate? Still we use these two words combined, though they are opposite of each other. Then next one is foolish wisdom. If he has wisdom, then how it can be foolish wisdom? These are again opposite words, oxymorons. Then it is liquid gas. If it is in gas form, then how it can be liquid? Then next one is clearly misunderstood. If it is misunderstood, then how it can be clear? Okay, still they are opposite words, but still they have used it together. Clearly misunderstood. 13 is happily married. I will not explain the meaning of it. You must understand, you must take the meaning by yourself only. True lies. Yeah, there are many true lies hidden, or we can say I know that person, he was truly lying. So sometimes we make these kind of sentences, truly lying, sometimes true lies. So these are opposite word, true and lies, but still they are used together, so we can call them as oxymorons. And the mother of all oxymorons is recent one, that is nothing but social distancing. If it is distancing, then how it can be social, and how if it is social, then how it can be distancing? So it should be physical distancing, but they use the word social distancing everywhere nowadays due to corona pandemic situation. That's it. So this is all about oxymorons. You should use these oxymorons to frame different sentences. It will help to increase your vocabulary, it will help to increase your sentence framing. It will help you to develop your confidence. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe Pooja's Vocabulary, and thank you for watching this video.